Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pike Road local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the right cheap Pike Road moving company means you need to look closer at 3 Movers. We offer the right services for your local and long-distance move. Our team will help you move quickly and efficiently, whether you're moving a home, apartment, business, dorm room, equipment, or anything else. We can help. We provide the best long-distance moving options, including packing services. When you need to complete the tedious task of packing and unpacking, we can help take this off your plate. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies are the best you will find and will help keep your things fully protected throughout the moving process. An on-time move. We show up at the agreed-upon time to make sure your move isn't delayed. Upfront pricing. With a quote from us, you will have a transparent price you can count on. Licensed and insured. Getting your things to your new location safely is our main goal. Choosing to book your long-distance move with us means you can focus on other things. Our team will take care of all the tasks that go along with moving. Relocating one state over or several states away is a big deal. Let us make it less stressful for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pike Road moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.